Hey YouTube, so I wanted to show you guys a really cool way that I found how to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos in under 2 to 4 minutes. Take a look. It's app.myshell.ai/chat. Now on the left you're going to see thumbnail maker. Okay, now what I suggest is create you an account so you don't have to continue to log in and that kind of thing. But essentially, you can create a thumbnail with under 4 minutes. Okay, it's very simple. So essentially, what you would do is you come up with your topic, what kind of video you're making, that kind of thing, and all you have to do is tell it what you're trying to do. So say, for instance, how to fix a PC. Okay, now that's simple. Now just come over here, and you're going to click this little button right here. Now it's going to start starting tasks, and then it's going to say Claude 3.5. Okay, now it's taken in your text, and there it is. According to your description, the generated thumbnail template is as followed. Okay, main title, and then it gives you what it broke your description down to. Okay, and then what you'll do is you scroll down, and it gives you a color scheme, gives you background of what kind of dim room setting with soft blue light. I mean, it's very good at determining examples on what text you give it. Okay, so you scroll down and then click use it. All right, let's just try it. Okay, now it's going to confirm. All right, now it's going to start your day, but essentially what I told it is right here. Large, bold text. Fix your PC in white with a yellow outline. And you can always change this. You can put different colors, white outline, or any, a frustrated person sitting in front of a broken computer. Let's just, let's go ahead and run it. Okay, a dim room setting with soft blue light. Okay, and you click run. All right. Now it's going to take all of the text you gave it, and now it's starting the tasks. It's going to build your image off of what you told it. Okay? Now it says it's drawing. 11 seconds, 14 seconds. And there you go. Under 4 minutes, it will give you a thumbnail. And there you go. Now, the text itself doesn't always come out right. As you can see, Fix Your PC came out good, but the rest of it didn't. So I'm going to go ahead and come down here, and then you can click Regenerate. Okay? So essentially, you're going to tell the system to go ahead and create another image for you off of what you told it. Alright, so it says it's drawing, 8 seconds. Now these up in the top are lightning bolts, so when you hold scroll over it, it says you can do 2 per hour when the battery below is 60. I guess that's 2 thumbnails per hour or so. Now we're going to come down here and look at that. I mean, that came out really good. Except for this text right here, I don't know what that is right there, but fix your PC 5 easy steps. Now you could always take this image and you can download it, and then you could put it into another. There's websites out there that are free where you could scrub this text and put your own in there again. Or of course you can come down here and you can click Regenerate again. It's up to you. Now, what I would suggest is have you some idea how you want it to look, that kind of thing, before you do. But you can come up here and you can put gallery, and you can see what other people have created to give you examples, to give you inspiration on how to create your images. And it's as easy as that. Basically, you can look at all of what other people have created. And it's free. It doesn't cost anything at the moment. I don't know how long it's going to stay free, but at the moment it is free. So within 4 minutes, you can create your own thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Hope this helps, and take care.